AdRoll is a platform that helps you advertise online. It's great for retargeting, showing ads to people who visited your site but didn't buy. Cross-channel ads, running ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google from one place. Simple insights, giving you clear data to improve your ads. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners and experts alike. Stick with me and I'll guide you through it all. Setting up your AdRoll account. Getting started is easy. Here's how. Sign up, go to AdRoll's website and create an account with your email. Add your website. AdRoll will give you a tracking pixel, a small piece of code. Copy and paste the pixel into your website's header. If you use Shopify or WordPress, AdRoll has plugins to make this easier. Check that the pixel works using AdRoll's Pixel Helper tool. Tip: make sure the pixel is set up correctly so AdRoll can track your site visitors. Building your audience. AdRoll helps you show your ads to the right people. Here's how to set up your audience. Retargeting: automatically target people who visit your website but don't buy. Lookalike audience: find new customers similar to your existing ones. Custom audiences: upload an email list to target specific groups of people. Do: group your audience by actions, like people who added items to the cart but didn't check out. Don't: target everyone, be specific for better results. Creating your ads. Now it's time to design your ads. AdRoll supports these types: image ads, simple ads with pictures. Dynamic ads, ads that automatically show products a visitor viewed. Video ads, short, engaging video clips. Tips for great ads: clear CTA, use simple phrases like shop now or learn more. Good quality images, make sure your pictures look professional. Consistent branding, use your logo and brand colors. Tip: if you are not a designer, AdRoll's ad library has ready-made templates. Starting your campaign. Here's how to launch your campaign. Set a goal, awareness, to get people to know your brand. Conversions, to drive sales or sign-ups. Retargeting, to re-engage visitors. Choose your budget, start small, around $10 to $20 per day, and increase once you see results. Pick a schedule, decide when your ads will run, specific dates or continuously. Select channels, choose where your ads will appear, like Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Do: test different designs and audiences. Check your campaign regularly. Don't: spend too much money without testing first. Checking your results. AdRoll's dashboard shows you how your ads are doing. Focus on these numbers: impressions and clicks, how many people saw and clicked your ads. Conversions, how many people completed an action, like making a purchase. Return on ad spend, ROAS, how much you earned for every dollar spent. Tip: AdRoll gives you suggestions to improve campaigns that aren't performing well. Advanced tips and tricks. Want to take your campaigns to the next level? Try these: frequency capping, limit how often people see your ads so they don't get annoyed. Geotargeting, show ads to people in specific locations. Dynamic ads, automatically show products your visitors looked at. Email retargeting, target people who didn't open your emails. Avoid these mistakes. Here are some common errors to watch out for. Ignoring mobile ads, make sure your ads look great on phones. Skipping tests, always test different versions of your ads to see what works best. Not checking analytics, keep an eye on your results and adjust as needed. And that's it. A simple guide to using AdRoll for your advertising. I hope this episode gave you the confidence to start your own campaigns. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, leave a review, and share with your friends. For more tips, contact us. Thanks for listening.